Hey folks, Judy Martin here at WorkLifeNation.com. This is part one of a 5-part series, Transforming Stress to Boost Your Brain and Creativity. There's been a lot of talk recently about neuroscience, about your brain on stress, anxiety, employee engagement and performance, productivity. So I spoke with neuropsychologist Dr. Rick Hanson via Skype. He's out in California. He's also the author of Buddha's Brain. And in part one of this 5-part series, we spoke about the incredible brain and what science reveals about it. If you think about it, we are in pretty tumultuous times right now. The socioeconomic situation is pretty much a roller coaster ride, and it doesn't look like it's going to get any better anytime soon. So it's a good time to take a look at how we are responding to stress.
The brain's the most important organ in the body. It's the master regulator. It's the CEO. It's the shipping department. It's the whole shebang. It's been called the enchanted loom. It's continually weaving our experience. So most of us, moment to moment, are just swept along by a crazy weaver. All these things happen to us, and then we have all our reactions to them. We get upset about this. We get worried about that. We feel stressed. We feel pressed. And then we, suffer. And also we then do things that are harmful for ourselves and others. So if we could get more control over this loom, that's weaving our experience moment to moment, then we could gradually put ourselves more in the driver's seat, if you will, of the bus. And over time, incline the mind by training the brain into a more and more happy and productive direction, be more able to protect ourselves against stress, build up more resources inside to make this world a better place, have more sense of intimacy even with ourselves, and be happier overall. And that's also, in addition to my own personal experience, that's certainly the finding of tons of research about various skillful means, various skillful approaches grounded in science. There are a lot of interventions that are being done routinely in very hardcore Fortune 500 corporations in the US and worldwide to help workers who are now, you've got one person doing 2.5 jobs after 10, 20 years of gradual corporate downsizing. And the expectations for output and being available 24/7 are really huge. So corporations are starting to realize that these stresses both impact personal life, which has results in terms of employee retention, turnover, which is a very serious cost in big companies. And they also reduce productivity because, as 10,000 studies have shown, when you're chronically stressed, you're less able to be at your best. And particularly if you think about moving toward a knowledge economy, which really places a premium on creativity and thinking outside of the box and new ideas and nimbleness and dexterity and being able to respond quickly to changing events, you absolutely degrade those capabilities with stress. Stress is it's like fine sand that's just drizzled into a complex machine. And yeah, the machine can keep working, but it starts grinding and scratching. And if you dump enough sand in there long enough, it'll freeze up at some point.
Thanks for watching Work Life Nation. I'm Judy Martin. In the next episode, Dr. Rick Hanson will talk about what goes on inside our bodies when we are faced with stress.